Welcome to our channel, Agroforestry Power Ladies Uganda. Today we are excited to have this energetic, passionate and powerful young man and an intelligent lady joining us to share their inspiring journeys into the world of agroforestry and permaculture with a deep passion in sustainable agriculture. They have been working tirelessly to promote sustainable agriculture. Let's listen carefully to their stories, learn from their experiences, and get inspired by their dedications in this journey of promoting a sustainable future. Let's start from my right, a very beautiful lady, so passionate. Hi, Loland.
Hi.
Tell us about your name and what inspired you into this journey of agroforestry and permaculture.
Thank you so much for the question. My name is Sima Chasinga Roland. I live in Nakivale Refugee Settlement. I'm a Congolese by nationality. What inspired me to join this journey was when I discovered the suffering of the people in the refugee camps. I had a job to be an interviewer. I was going to the community and interviewing people about livelihoods. And I discovered that many of the problems that people were facing were connected to unemployment, lack of food, and also connected deeply to climate change. So this is what inspired me to start learning about what possible solutions can be offered for these people to actually build a sustainable livelihood. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Lolandi. And now we go to Desire, a powerful man from Malawi. Yes, Desire.
Hello, this is Desire from Malawi. It's Congo and Regenerative. So if I am to talk about my story, it's a very long story, and we can take the whole day. I am a nutritionist by profession, and what I have learned is that nutrition starts with agriculture, and good health starts with good nutrition. So if the food that we are eating is not healthy, that means that there's no healthy humans, and if there are no healthy humans, there's no development.
Okay, thank you so much, Desire. Nutrition starts with agriculture and sustainable agriculture like agroforestry. And now we go to my left. There is a very amazing gentleman, Stephen. You're also from Malawi?
No, from Tanzania.
All right, from Tanzania. Nice to meet you. Now, tell us what inspired you into this journey of regenerative agroforestry.
Yeah, first of all, my name is Stephen. By profession, I'm a nurse. And the thing which inspired me to enter the agroforest is just because most of the people in Tanzania are facing hunger, and sometimes no food, short of plain food. Sometimes it makes that there a lot of hunger. I remember 2000 that year, it occurred a famine, so the hunger become high and nobody has food in the streets.
Oh.
Yeah, so that happens. The thing which most inspired me is just to bring back the education to the society. And at my hospital, to my workers, I will tell them how to work in agriculture. Yeah, that too. I will tell the whole village, the whole city that agriculture, like the agroforest, is just a thing which you must be in front instead of other things which can destroy our nature. Yeah, thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Stephen. It's a very good story. Now we go to Andrew. Yeah, he's a trainer, not so?
Yeah.
And he's a trainer from Malawi, very energetic, so passionate and powerful in promoting regenerative agroforestry. Now, Andrew, tell us what inspired you in this journey of regenerative agroforestry.
All right. Thank you, Sandra. As you have already mentioned, my name is Andrew. I'm from Malawi, Mitongo and Reserve, where I work as an agroforestry technician, and I'm also a trainer of trainers. What inspired me into this journey, it was after I attended an agroforestry training at the same institution in Mitongo. And it was only a 1 week training, and we learned a lot through that week. After that week, my mindset changed, like the whole of my thinking about agriculture changed. And I was so much inspired that I wanted to learn more from whatever I learned that week. So I was discussing with the guys we attended the training together with, and I also had a long conversation with the people who trained us to do this agroforestry thing, which is Roland and Lake Mukasa. So they pushed me, encouraged me a lot to venture more into this agroforestry and sustainable agriculture. So that's how my journey of inspiration into this thing started. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Andrew. Thank you so much. It is really good that you're practical and inspiring so many people. And now it's Emmanuel with the microphone, the youngest in the entire group. I think you can see him, and he's very knowledgeable, very passionate, and someone is saying power boy, but it's fine. All right, Emma, tell us how you got into the journey of regenerative agroforestry and what inspired you to get in.
Yeah, my name is Emmanuel. I'm from Tanzania. Yeah, the things which inspired me to come into the agroforestry, it was like his seminar when he was in Tanzania. I just ended my classes at 4th grade, Form 4, and I had nothing to do. I was just at home for like a year. Then I was at Lucky's seminar at Chala. That seminar, it was about agroforestry, and it was my first time. So I was like, I didn't know anything about agriculture. I was more about technological things like phones and other things. I didn't know anything about nature. Yeah, they motivated me actually about how nature works with human being and how it can bring good things to everyone.
Okay, thank you so much, Emmanuel, and thank you so much, everyone. I hope you've heard their stories. I hope you've heard very well. These people are so passionate, and the most important thing is that they are practical, they are doing, they are leaders, they are doers, they are walking the talk. Okay, now to my left, Steve, what are the strategies that you're using to promote regenerative agroforestry?
The strategy which I use, just I can talk in a shortly way, that for myself, I used to talk to people as a small training at my hospital, and also talking to the farmers who are around me and who are on need, on maybe to prevent maybe I like to establish a small garden because of vegetable and base fruit, so that they can be getting more food and anything they want to get from those, to benefit from those. And the other thing which I use, just to go to the radio station talking about how to maybe already to planting trees, and also to educate people that they must be cutting the trees, and also to advise them that planting more trees is just the best way. Those are the things which I use to talk to people. Thank you.
Okay, Steve, you're already doing a lot, and it is great. Thank you so much, Emmanuel, and big applause to you all, young ladies and gentlemen. You're really doing a lot, and I urge you not to stop, but continue doing it. And we are also doing. We must be doers. We must walk that talk. We must inspire the people who are not in this field and motivate them into what we are doing. Yeah, because what we are doing is really right. Regenerative agroforestry is the way to go, and all sustainable farming practices. Now we go to Andrew. He's a trainer, and these people are really doing so much in inspiring people. So many people are changing because of them, and they're adopting to regenerative agroforestry. So now, Andrew, tell us, what are the strategies you're using to promote regenerative agroforestry?
All right, thank you, Sandra. I think apart from the strategies that Desire have just explained about our international agroforestry trainings at the farm, apart from our outreach programs, and apart from all those side trainings that we offer at the farm for the locals, I also use my social media handles the most to promote the Agroforestry thing. Each and every time I post about me in the field, doing our practicals, encouraging people through my post captions on my socials about how this Agroforestry thing, how this type of agriculture is so inspiring to me, and how it has changed my life fully. Because I'm not the Andrew I was a year ago, I was 2 years ago. I am a fully changed, inspired young man right now. Because I know a lot into this field, and I know that I'm still learning. So I'm always open to, when it comes to conversations about this kind of thing from my fellow people who are also doing the very same agroforestry agriculture. Since there's a word that says an iron sharpens an iron, so I'm not shy to ask questions whenever I feel that I'm making mistakes or I'm failing somewhere in the field. So through these kind of conversations, through these social media handles, through all our trainings we do, these the main strategies, the main key strategies that I use to promote this thing, to make people know about this thing, to learn more from me, as I also got inspired from some other people as well. So these are the key strategies that I use into this thing, yeah.
All right, Andrew, thank you so much. But before I go to Emmanuel, first tell us more about your social media platform so that people can follow you.
I cannot invite more people into my social media handles now because it's just like a personal handle, but I can refer you to our organization social media handles. On Facebook, we have a certain page that is written Mitongwe. We also have another page that is Standards One Ministry. They are all our handles that we use on Facebook. On Instagram as well, it is Standards One Ministry. And we also have a website. You can go on our website. It's Standards One Ministry. Standards One Ministry. It's our website. That's why you're gonna see a lot of things that we are doing from our farm through these handles from our organization. But I cannot give you my personal handles. My personal handles are just there to inspire my young pioneers, my young fellows to know more about this field.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm so motivated by that. Yeah, all right, people, don't forget to search for the social media handles he has told you about. Search for them and make sure you learn from your phones. And now the microphone is with Emmanuel. Yeah, Emmanuel, share with us some of the strategies that you're using to promote regenerative agroforestry.
Yeah, so the strategies we are using in promoting agroforestry services in Tanzania, it's we just invested a farm, which we planted 1 acre of bananas and 2 acres of napier grasses. So we promote people by telling them how we are using the plots without using any medicinal things and any of the industrial things made by the industries. Yeah, because a lot of things from the industries are poisonous, and we are trying to tell people how they can use the nature to grow things and to be healthy. So in the farm we just started, and we started this year. We are going to start it, and yeah, we don't have a lot of things because just graduated and we are going to start it.
Thank you so much, Emmanuel, and big applause to you all, young ladies and gentlemen. You're really doing a lot, and I urge you not to stop, but continue doing it. And we are also doing. We must be doers. We must walk that talk. We must inspire the people who are not in this field and motivate them into what we are doing. Yeah, because what we are doing is really right. Regenerative agroforestry is the way to go, and all sustainable farming practices.